Hello and welcome. In this module, we're going to talk about the Power Automate connectors that are available for Power Platform Admin to help you to monitor and do stuff on the platform automatically for your admin needs on Power Platform. So there are management connectors available. So one thing I would highly recommend that you do is go and check out the template library, check out the connectors and what's available for. Because these will have changed. These will definitely have changed over the year or so since this content was created. Go and check what you can do with them. But you can see here you've got list. In fact, we'll just go through here. Here's what's available at the time of creating this PowerPoint. So Power Platform for Admins connector, you can do all of this stuff. So you can list DLP policies. Can you create a DLP policy? In fact, let's have a look. Let's have a compare. See what's changed. If I go to Flow, let's take this away. Make sure you can't see anything. Flow.microsoft.com connectors. So Power Platform. Power Platform for admins. So no triggers. What are the things that we can do? So here, the known issues. It's actually a good intro to look at these pages as well for connectors. You've got some information about the connector up here, what you need for that connector, and then any known issues. So you can do all these things. You can create DLP policies. So here you couldn't create DLP policies, but now that has been added in there. So a whole heap of new stuff in there, which is great. So yep, Power Platform for admins, that's what you can do with that. Power Automate management, so this is another connector. Let's have a look at what you can do in that Power Automate connector. Another way of looking at these is you could go into Flow and create a flow. Create an instant flow. The other way of doing it is adding a step here and then looking at Power Automate management. Oh, there it is. Power Automate management. So create connection, create flow, delete flow. That's really interesting. So create flow. I wonder what you need for create flow. Let's just sign in and see what happens for create flow. So you can create. So it was like JSON. There'll be some JSON in there. So you can you can save flows and then create a particular. So you might have I can now see where that is useful. So you might have a company-wide flow that on everyone that joins, they get maybe it's a series of emails or a particular task, like series of tasks that get assigned to them to do, like in to do, and you can create a whole heap of to dos for them to actually do. So you could do that. Yeah, I can see how that's useful now. So yeah, anyway, so that Power Automate management has got a lot more than what's on there as well. Power Apps for admins. You've seen there how you can go and find these things. So I'm not going to go through these, but you can see some of the things from the time of writing of this PowerPoint. Power Apps for makers. So this is for administrators. This is being able to see, looking at giving app access, giving connector access, all of that kind of stuff. And here it's for a particular app itself. Pretty cool stuff. So when would you use PowerShell and when would you use management connectors? So you could use PowerShell for pulling numbers of environments, very quick pull numbers, just get a quick pull of numbers. Bulk create multiple environments in Dataverse. As I mentioned, for that training thing that we do, Building 20 environments is super easy. Cleaning up environments no longer needed. Change of owner of app after someone leaves. So these maintenance scripts are pretty good. Reporting, setting up custom reports, easy with PowerShell. What's easy with management connectors is things like building your own admin Power App. So being able to build these apps that manage the environments, manage all of that kind of stuff, build your own app, easy with management connectors. Automate environment creation with approvals. You could create that in 15-20 minutes, easy. Rather than PowerShell, you'd be scratching your head for quite a while. And you need other people to run that as well, potentially. So, like sysadmin to run it. So you get the idea here. There's a line where some things become easier with management connectors, some things are easier with PowerShell. There's full API support for environment lifecycle operations. So creating environments, backing up, copying, reset, and removing environments as well. I believe that's in Logic Apps though. Yep. So you'd create a Logic App to do the API itself. This is quite technical. You'd need to engage a developer to do that for you. And I'm pretty sure a lot of this stuff is actually covered in the Power Automate connector now as well. So Power Platform, these tools, the PowerShell and the Power Automate, the Power Platform admin connectors, they make this stuff easier. They make stuff this easier to do. There's one more resource that we'll go through in this next module that is a COE starter kit. And what this is, it's a collection of reports and apps and flows that will collect all this data for you and create some cool stuff. So we'll look at that next. If you want to go to that URL and check it out beforehand, go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.